Everything starts with the book. For me, this is where all the ideas are born.
We all had a clear vision that this car should be elegant, clean, beautiful, have the Audi DNA, but very progressive at the same time.
We don't compare with anybody else. We wanted to be really sure our vision is ours alone.
The Grandsphere is a showcase of the next step of luxury.
The proportions is the base for everything. It's number one. We were sure from the beginning that the way that the muscle feels on top of the car is something that we want to capture from the sketches. The wheels look tight on the car, the body and the muscles, everything is compact. Very, very long wheelbase, short overhang in the front, long one in the back, and a very, very, very long Y0 for the cabin.
We wanted to see this world where a classic limousine can actually be very sporty, almost GT-like in proportions.
The architecture should be so simple and pure that they make complete sense, and from the first moment that you see it, you understand it.
We started consequently the design from inside out. First class means for Audi adding some kind of magic moments, and we have in this car a lot of them. The first goal was to create a very calming ambient space, a premium space, how we call it. This is exactly what we had in mind when creating this ambience here, that every surface comes even more to life, with lights. Just by eye tracking, we can switch the menu to now the media. You can sit in the car and move your hand, and the part physically in the door moves. You need some highlights, some jewels in the car you really like to look at and you really like to use. What we have here is a bar made out of a glass body which can extend and open up. Then you have a real bar. You have two glasses in the bar, you have a water dispenser. You can get refreshments anytime you want. This is now the lounge, and this is like you will travel in the future in level 4 mode.
When something isn't right and we don't feel like there is magic in the thing that we just did, it's out immediately.
You can't help but get emotional. It's a fantastic looking car.
It really is a dream. For a designer to be able to express the essence of Audi in this way, we could not have asked for a better team, a better flow of working. Everything was so organic. It was